Pinayagan ng House of Representatives sa 1st District Davao City Representative Paulo Duterte, ang kapatid ni VP Sara Duterte at anak ni former President Rodrigo Duterte ang pagliban niya palabas ng bansa for 51 days. Umunod si Representative Pulong sa mahigit kumulang 18 bansa at teritoryo mula March 20. These countries and territories include Hong Kong, Mainland China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Republic of Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Cambodia, United States of America, Australia, United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, the Netherlands, Germany, France, Belgium, Italy, at Singapore from March 20 hanggang May 10 o 2 araw bago ang halalan. This is despite the fact na he is seeking re-election sa kanyang 1st District Representation, displaying confidence na hindi maaagaw sa kanya ang kanyang seat sa Kamara at pwede siya lumabas whenever he wants. Which is kind of funny considering binati ko si former President Rodrigo Duterte, si Ferdinand Magellan Jr. noong sunod-sunod ang kanyang foreign trips papuntang ibang bansa for diplomatic purposes raw.
Sir, may we just get your reaction on the latest tirades of former President Duterte? He said that you are in favor of Chacha because you are pushing for term extension just like what your father did, late President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. And he also criticized, sir, your foreign travels. Ang sabi po niya, pasyal na lang daw po kayo ng pasyal during the latest rally po sa Liwasang Bonifacio, sir. May we get you on that, sir?
Ito yung schedule ko. Saan yung pasyal? This is my schedule for today. Where's the paseo? Wala. You kasama ko niyo kami. We don't make pasyal.